Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Friday, 12th of April 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. If you are new to Gold Price Daily Analysis, we do urge you to watch our last two videos in order for you to get the best of this video. We are going to start our core analysis right after a quick recap. We have been waiting for important economic data to be released from the United States, so we are going to start with the core PPI month-to-month for March came above forecasts, and the PPI month-to-month for March as well came above forecasts, and the initial jobless claims came below forecasts, which is good for the dollar, and the continuing jobless claims also came below forecast, good for the dollar. For the gold response, actually the US dollar rebounded after a moderate FOMC statement, and the gold started a sell-off early, and after the news was released, gold dropped another $10. Moving on to the strategy recap, we said buy gold as long as it's trading above 1,305. Otherwise, don't buy if the gold found acceptance below 1,305. We said if you are already following our advice and you are in a buy from 1,291 to 1,301, stay in your position. That's all for the strategy recap. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Friday, we will start from the United States, and we are waiting for the import price index for March and the export price index for March, and the Michigan consumer sentiment and expectations with medium importance. And that's all for the economic calendar. We'll move on now to the technical indicators. On the last trading session on Thursday, we have had a trading range from 1,289 to 1,308. Numbers are rounded and the market is still open. We do expect the gold spot to close above 1,289. The market is still open and the gold is under pressure, so watch for the price might change. For the moving averages for the 20 days is 1,301, for the 50 days 1,307, and for the 100 days 1,285, and for the 200 days is 1,250. We are above the 100 days, 200 days daily moving averages and below the 20 days, 50 days daily simple moving averages. For the RSI 1 hour is 25 oversold, and the RSI 4 hours is 34 bearish, and the RSI for the 1 day is 44, also bearish as well. For the supports and resistance, supports are located at 1,288, 1,285, and 1,282 and 1,280. If there is more pressure, there is a support at 1,276. For the resistance, 1,300, 1,306, and 1,310. That's all for the technical indicators. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. For the trading strategy, the trend is neutral since we are back into the common range of 1,280 to 1,300. The price action is negative and we are below the 20 days, 50 days daily simple moving averages again, and the US dollar is rising. We are going to revise the considerations behind our latest recommendation of buying gold. We'll start from the beginning. We've seen the gold stuck into that trading range between 1,280 and 1,300 for a few trading sessions, and then we've been looking for a technical confirmation, a break and close either above 1,300 in order to buy or below 1,280 in order to sell. Through this time also we issued a trading signal to sell at 1,291 with a target of 1,281, which got achieved and completed. But since the gold was rejected two times from 1,280 and 1,284 and made it back above 1,290, we advised you guys to close the sell and switch to buy. Also, we've been looking for the Federal Reserve Bank from statement to include a line about the rate cut in order to enhance our theory about the gold. But unfortunately, we did not get that. The statement came moderate, and at least it was better than what the market was expecting or waiting for. So our advice to you this time is kind of delicate. See, guys, the sell-off today, if you will relate it to the US dollar strength, actually the US dollar did not rise that much. Okay, so you can consider the sell-off as also a technical sell-off, and it started actually before the news came. What we can say here, it depends on your financial capacity. If you can support yourself, you can wait. Maybe there's a bounce back, a high possibility of a bounce back to 1,300, above 1,300 in tomorrow's session. But if the gold could not stay above the 100 days daily simple moving average at 1,285, things are going to be ugly, and we are going to see 1,250. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video.